Yo, what's going on YouTube? And then today we're gonna be, well, I was trying to work on this stuffed bomber right here. And we got it running. The owner got it running, came back with a battery problem. We got the battery fixed, charged, ready to go. And he wrote it, and then it came back a Hall sensor error, which we were confirmed that one of the, so excuse me about the light, one of the Hall sensors was working, but one of them was completely dead, wasn't working at all. So what I did, took the wheel off, I put new Hall sensors in, and I got it back together, and still doing the same thing. So I tested it before I even installed it. The the plug that has like the yellow, blue, and green, and then the other plug that has the purple, pink, and like a clear or transparent coating on the wires. I all that tested good according to this whole test, and I know my battery's not dead or nothing like that. So I went to put this on the whole tester, and it tested, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. But when I plug it into the controller, it's reading, giving me a whole sense error. It's one beep. You have a beep, and then a second, and then another beep, and then a second, and another beep. Oh, my son just got home. So I know the light is really kind of in the way. So we're gonna move this over by my truck because it's a little less sun over there. Uh-oh. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. Now, some of this stuff that I fixed, I don't have problems like this, but new problem arises all the time, So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to take the screws off. So here it is. So we got the battery, and we're going to just unplug this one right quick. Come on, hold on. So we're gonna plug this.
Okay, what happened with the controller here?
Ain't nothing wrong with the controls, the motor.
What happened with the
You
motor?
need to, so you need to focus on this right here. So I'm explaining to them that I put the motor together, and I'm getting reading. So if I move the bike, it's
Oh.
working. So you see it's going in sequence, so it's working. And I'm going, and this is the one where I was tell you with the the purple, pink, and the clear one. I guess that's for the temp sensor. So we're gonna unplug that, and we're going to plug in this one.
Okay.
So you see the light. So we got your blue, green, and yellow. So this one's working too. According to the tester, that's working.
Okay.
So, but when you put it on the controller, so it got to
Okay.
be something either in the wire harness or the controller itself. Could be a break. I see there's a cut right here.
I was gonna say, I wonder if there's a short with a bad connection.
Yeah, see there's a cut right there where it's
I see it
where
on
the
the
red
red one.
wire. Yeah, but but I turn it on. So there's the beep. No beep, no nothing, no error. But as soon as I get on as soon as I give it throttle, hold on. There it is.
It dies.
See?
Yeah, it has to be the controller.
So, and the same thing to this one. So it got to be the wire harness. I don't know, but
Oh, the wire harness itself? It could be. I hear the beeping noise. I thought when you said it beep, it's the BMS in it.
no, it's beeping because it's not
It's like a
detecting
faulty.
sensor.
Oh.
Yeah. So
I'm
see not.
still
So it's still
directly in the
beeping.
sun. I can't really.
No, you ain't got to look at the display. It's still. Let me see.
I already got that red wire, I believe.
Yeah, I'm trying to see. Trying to see why is it.
There it is.
I see the red wire, but it shouldn't. But still. But this the one. Now this is the one that was showing dead. It was showing dead in the tester. So the tester's still on. We're gonna take it back out. So I need y'all to tell me what the heck is going on. See there? I see. It's working. I mean, all the lights are lighting up like they're supposed to. There's not the one that's dead or anything like that. But you know, so let me take this and put it in here. So maybe it could be the motor. Let me try this one again. Hold on. See, there it is. Look, it stopped. So something's going on with the cable. Like, I don't know what's going on with it. But this one wasn't working either. So, I keep on. So see, it stopped. It stopped working. I mean, it stopped beeping. So, but let me try this one again. Okay. Yeah, it wouldn't even move. Yeah, it's not even moving. Alright, guys, I am stumped. So I replaced the new home sensors in this motor. There's a break somewhere? Is it a break from here to there? Well, like I said, according to the tester, everything's lighting up.
What's in this box up here?
Oh, that's just all the wire harness that go to the controller. So everything's lighting up. So I'm going to release this video out tonight and see if one of y'all guys can help me out and point me in the right direction, so I won't make any or the customer won't make any financial wrong financial decisions of what to do, and then it's not the problem. You know what I mean? Because I hate for people to spend money on something that's not really broken. So it could be the controller itself or the motor, but like I say, I just replaced the whole sensors.
I think if you connect those connectors to that modem and it's indicating that it works, but you can't connect this thing to that modem, so that means it has to be something into here. And like you said, why don't you put electric tape over that?
It's still, look, it's still beeping.
But
It's doing the same thing. Yeah, it's still doing the same thing. You know, so all right, guys. I'm gonna just let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. What should we do to actually get this thing back on the road again? Because it was running, and then it came back as a whole sensor error. You know what I mean? That's the reason why it's here, because it had a whole sensor error. We put new sensors in it. Same sensors, actually the same sensors that this motor comes with. I get them from MB Power, so I mean, it can't be a bad sensor. What a coincidence! But it's, like I said, it's lighting up on the freaking tester, so I don't know. But anyways,
if you guys know, please leave a comment or message him.